multiply with positive and negative numbers? Let's look at a few examples to help you. We just learned that if I multiply a positive number times a positive number, I get a positive number. That's how you've been multiplying since you began. If I multiply a positive number times a negative, that's how many times does that negative number add with itself? I end up with a negative. Here's where it gets tricky. If I multiply a negative number times a negative number, I have a positive answer. And that's really the only one you need to think about. The other two are pretty self-explanatory. Let's look at some examples. Negative 12 divided by 4. Well, this rule works for both multiplication and division. I have a negative number divided by a positive number. That means I'm going to look here. When I have a positive and a negative together. If I have negative 12, how many 4s are in it? There are negative 3 4s. Let's look at it with multiplication. 6 times negative 3. Again, I'm going to look here. I have a positive number and a negative number. Doesn't matter the order. Either way, I'm going to have a negative answer. 6 times 3 is 18. But it's a negative 3, so it's a negative 18. Finally, let's try a division problem with two negatives. I have a negative number divided by another negative. Negative 12 divided by a negative 3. Well, I know 12 divided by 3 is 4. A negative divided by a negative is a positive answer. So my answer is going to be positive 4, or it would be also correct to just write it as 4.